So changing the central door mechanism, you have to undo that part there and this part here. There are 3 bolts, nuts, screws that you undo there, clip for the electrics, plus the door mechanism here, which the wires are here, which I will show you in a minute. Okay, things to remember on this is the blue, which is marked here on the latch, matches up with the blue on the cable. Okay, this one's going to be a bit hard to explain, but there's a black moulding around your door handle, and just down there, I think you can see that there's a hole just here, and the hole on this, if you was inside the door, would be like that, and all that holds that in is a little press stud clip. Right, you need to do up these 3 screws. Just nip each one before you completely tighten, just so it can find its own seating. Tighten that one. Don't go mad on tightening them. That should do it. Now the other bit, there's the black shroud now refitted. All the central door locking, 2 clips here, 1 clip here, and all this refitted. Just ensure that that is around that bit correctly. Sorry, you can see, just ensuring that rubber seals there. This you do have to take off to be able to get access and to be able to get the old central locking unit out. It's 1 nut there, just there, 10mm, and there's another one hiding just there. Bear in mind your door handle will be loose at this time with both of them nuts removed. So the black stuff is really sticky, it's like a gum, it's like a sealant to keep the moisture and things out. Just be careful if you get it on your hands, you probably need small finger to get it off. So that's all refitted. I did leave the panel connected. Would probably be easier if you removed it, but all to do now is to put the grommet plug in here, which just gave me a bit extra light inside, and then refit the door panel. Right, so there's a little pin there that you take out of the door that just pulls forward and unslots, and there's another 2, just 1 there and 1 there. Then you have 1 screw just around the door handle area there, and then 1 screw up in there and 1 screw up in there. If I go back a bit, you can see where I'm pointing, there and there. Then the rest of the panel just pulls away, unclips. So 1 quick check now, see if it works. Obviously it won't lock because the door's open. All working as though. The whole job completed in just about an hour. I'm not a professional mechanic, I am just a DIYer from home. Tools required, 10mm spanners, sockets. That's about it. Happy days. Also the parts were purchased from MX5 restorers, excellent service, excellent price for the parts. Cost of the parts were £35 including postage and packing.